What's up, guys, and welcome to another Gentleman's Adventure. This is a video. Well, this video is going to be. It's hard to explain. It's kind of like a Mario knockoff, in my opinion. See what I mean by this is kind of like Mario? So it's kind of like Mario, but it's called Another Gentleman's Adventure. So I think it's based off of Mario, but it's also but it's basically about a different person, a different, are you kidding me? What? Okay. So I definitely don't want to get touched by them. Don't touch me. No, don't touch me there. This is my no square. No, don't touch me. Ah, no. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, this is totally a Mario knockoff. Look at this. Ooh, give me that coin. No, I don't want to go in. Give me that coin. Give me those coins. Okay. Now we could go in there, or we could continue on and get more money. Oh, I did not see that coming. Oh no. Okay. Scary. What is that? It looks cute. I want to go pet it. Oh no. Why am I falling? I want to pet you. Just kidding. Oh, it's supposed to be a turtle thing. You know what? I'm not gonna deal with all this right now. I don't really feel like dealing with it, so I'm not sure what the coins are for. I'm pretty sure in Mario they had an actual purpose. Like you could buy stuff with them or something. Is that Toad? Hi, Toad. Oh, so it takes 66 and 33. Cool. Nah, not happening, Toad. Can I go down any of these? No. Oh, I see. This is the store. That makes sense. So I'm gonna go in here. Oh, the enemies respawn. Oh. Oh no. Is that a bomb? Is that a bomb? Yep, it was a bomb. Why is there an... No! Okay, let's stay out here. Let's see, where should we go? I don't know if I have ever played Mario. I mean, just because it was like one of the first games that were ever created. I grew up playing Halo, I think was my first ever video game I played. I think I played Halo 4 was my first video game I had ever played on the Xbox or anything like that. I had played PC games, but I don't think those really count. I mean, right now I'm playing a PC game. Did Mario ever come out on PC? I thought it was for like a Nintendo or something like that. I don't know. I am not caught up on things that were made so far back. Like Mario was made, you know what, I'm not even gonna try to guess. I'm sure it wasn't that long ago, but still. Ooh, mushroom. Oh, oh god, I just look ugly. Oh, what is this game? Why do I look so freaking ugly? Oh god. Maybe I can defuse a bomb because I'm a gentleman. Nope, I cannot. Nope. Is that a boss? Is that a golden... 1 second. Is that a shiny poo? Okay, obviously... Oh my gosh, I was going to say obviously I can't jump on top of it, and then literally after I... Ah! Oh, I still get to be giant. Wait, am I still giant? Yeah, I think I'm still giant. But usually in Mario, the reason that you're giant is so that you get extra lives. Right? I'm much bigger now. Okay, why am I, what am I playing right now? I'm a guy in a suit fighting a golden frickin' poo. I'm guessing that I cannot actually attack you right now. Oh, no, it's not a boss. I don't have to beat it at one point. I just think it's kind of like, I think it's kind of like, how did that drop on me? I jumped on top of it. I'm too tall. Can I shrink? I want to shrink. I want to frickin' shrink. I don't want to deal with being so frickin' big anymore. Unlike the other Mario games, I think this one does not actually reward you when you kill an enemy, so I'm just gonna leave them alone. Which is why I'm not going to fight the golden poo thingy with a saw on its back. Instead, I'm just gonna roam around collecting coins. Are you kidding me? I landed on the golden poo thingy. What has video games become? We started out with Mario and then we have this abomination. Boing, I'm falling, yay. I want to get back up there. I'm guessing I can get back up there. Yeah. No, no, oh my gosh, that was such a lucky shot. Gotcha, bomby thingy, okay, I gotta start coming up with names for all these characters. Never mind. I'm not gonna turn this into a series. It can't be that long of a game. Half this episode is gonna be me trying to clear this gap. Oh, thank God. No golden poo shall stand in my way. Get out of here, golden poo. Okay. Boing. Boing. No! I hit the ceiling! Are you kidding me? I'm out of here. I'm done with this. Can I escape this area? I don't want to deal with these golden poops anymore. Oh, I think I see how I need to do it. I think I need to jump. Jump, you big ugly abomination. Ooh, oh, that's just the shop again. You are the slug mushroom. Yoit. Oh, wait, I'm just not realizing. It's not a cute little blob that turns into a bomb. It has an evil looking head as well. Half the video is gonna be me trying to just jump over the same obstacle 500 million times. Die, slug mushroom, die, slug mushroom. I'm pretty sure there were combos in the Mario game where, like, if you get a certain amount of enemies in a single jump, then you get, like, extra points or something. It's something like that. I think Mario was the first, like, really popular video game to ever come out. If you grasp my meaning. Is this an actual level, or are you just gonna... No, bye, Toadstool. Oh, I can teleport back to number 1 now. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so I gotta pay attention to the numbers. Looks like there's coins in this area. So, oh, no, get out of here, bomb thingy. Right, that's out. There's my eyes. Yeah, coins. Coins, baby. I don't really like how the physics work underwater. It's just kind of you jump and then you just go up. Boing, 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 boing. Oh God, I'm not a gentleman. I'm just, I have a concussion now. I feel like if anyone did what I just did, they'd definitely have a concussion. You wanna go, buddy? No, I'm stuck down here again. No. Oh, I know what to do. I just need to... Where's the thing? Where's the hole? Get your mind out of the gutter, okay? I'm looking for the weird, like... I believe these are, like, sewer pipes for plumbers. Because I'm pretty sure Mario was a plumber. Mario and Luigi were, like, twin brothers, and I believe they were both plumbers as well. So I'm guessing this is kind of like an open world, not really, like, levels like what Mario had. Like, there's no ending, it's just kind of an open world. Are you kidding me, mushroom? Are you kidding me, game? Don't die from the bomb. Don't die from the bomb. Okay, I gotta grab a checkpoint when I get out of this stupid place. How am I gonna kill this thing? Oh my gosh! I was about to say I'm a champion until I completely failed. Die. Die. Jump in the hole. Get your minds out of the gutter. Jump in this hole. Get your minds out of the gutter. Jump. I don't want to spawn down there again, but I think there's a checkpoint over here somewhere. There's a buttload of monsters. Yes. Checkpoint. Oh. I just got the original checkpoint. Okay. I wonder if there's a way to like annihilate all the mobs in this. There has to be some sort of boss battle. We've seen 3 species so far. Ow. The mushrooms, the golden poops, the bomb things, and I think that's it. That's all we've seen. No! Psych! Eat it, sucker! You ain't shooting me. Not today or any day. Oink. Getting those coins. Ooh, yummy coins. Give me that. Who are you? What are you? Die, sucker! Oh no, I forgot about the bomb. Okay, so apparently I can't get up there, but oh, there are 2 enemies down here. Boy, how did I not see that? They make it invisible. I get to jump on the 3 Stooges again. Or they can just jump on me. Wait, are you kidding me? If I die one more time, I am ending this episode. Die, weird mushroom people that... Yoink, yoink. I can fly! I don't want to deal with you, sucker. So I'm not gonna deal with you. No! Okay, I'm ending the episode here. Peace out, whatever, I don't freaking care. Get me out of this living heck.